What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to set up a new Samsung tablet. If you bought a new Samsung tablet, I'm going to show you how to set it up. So it's pretty simple, but for some people it might be complicated. So when you buy a new tablet, it should be on this screen. So you click on the blue arrow pointing towards right, and then you can click on I have read and agree to all of the above, and click next, and then bring your old data from quicker setup. Now if you transferring your data, which I'm not doing in this case, otherwise it's gonna take too long, so I'm gonna skip for now. You can always transfer later when you log in with your Google ID. Now it's asking for the Wi-Fi password. So it's totally up to you if you want to connect to Wi-Fi. If you don't want to connect to Wi-Fi, you can still set it up without connecting with Wi-Fi. So I'll skip for now. Okay, now a date and time. So you can, according to your time zone, you can select your time zone and date. And I'll pick any random for now. Okay. And click next, and then terms and conditions you have to accept. You have no choice. And protect your tablet. So here is asking for the password, if you wanna put any password on the tablet. So I will say not now. You can always set it up and skip anyway. You can set it up later. Now sign into your Samsung account. If you have one, that's good. If you don't have it, I'll skip for now. And I already made another video how to make Samsung account, and I'll leave the link in the description for that if you don't know how to make Samsung account. So for now we're gonna skip it, and then it says all done. So you click finish, and then it should bring you to this screen. So all the apps are preloaded. They're here, and that's it. And then you can just sign into your Gmail account, and you can go to Google Play Store and download whatever you want. And that's it for today. And if you have any questions, don't forget to leave in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.